I just want a roughneck nigga on the tongue. You just wanna send me automatic with a drum. Ask me if I'm finished, nah, I just begun. I ain't giving out no nutty to no nigga just for fun. Are you done? Other man, I don't know no other man. You f like 100 niggas just for 100 bands. I don't even got me 100 bands. I'm still gonna make me 100 M's with 100 plans. Give me peso, extendo. I carry just like a Prego. Get around with nigga called Petro. Suck it, nigga, shoulda knew it from the get.
Nobody gonna tell us no. I don't want no bad vibes. I just wanna have a good time. Party up until late night. Nobody gonna tell us no. I don't want no bad vibes. Welcome guys, we saying welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Samantha. Grace, get to know. And if you're not new to my channel, your girl is back with another video for you guys today. As you guys can see, I went to the Allure house on Instagram, so make sure you guys go check them out. As you guys can see, this is not my normal intro. Yes, I am literally getting slayed. Obviously not in my usual seat or background, but obviously in this whole video, you guys are gonna see me get ready for my birthday shoot. Your girl's turning 21. But yeah, so I'm only gonna speak only if it's necessary. I don't want to be waffling too much, but as you guys can see, we're obviously in the wig cap method, and obviously I vlogged the whole process. Obviously that's why I didn't get to do an intro. This day was so hectic, like I don't know. But yeah, I'm gonna fast forward some bits so it won't be very slow, guys. As you guys can see right now, we're literally trying to find a TikTok to do a transition to. Make sure you guys keep watching till the end. I'm going to show you guys the transition video, but yeah, I'm going to stop talking right now and you guys can watch me get slayed for my birthday shoot. You guys can see we're literally just having a little conversation. I can't even remember what we're talking about, but we're just having a little conversation. Obviously as I was getting my hair done. Y'all, look at the wig. Like, you guys are gonna see such a big transformation, but guys, this hair quality is banging. Like, if you don't know about Body Wig Rehab, make sure you go follow them on Instagram and their website. I'm gonna link literally everything down below, literally everything, so you'll find the hair, the link to the Allure house who done my hair, like, yeah, and literally everything in this video will be stored down below, so just make sure you check the description box. But yeah, I just get excited the fuck out. Like, you guys are not ready for the end process, but yeah. Okay, so from this bit, I literally, guys, look at me. I was definitely feeling myself. You know, I was saying, listen, lace wear. So yeah, guys, I was feeling myself already, because even though my hair was not straightened or didn't have no parting, I was feeling myself. But yeah, you guys can see we started to straighten it in sections, and obviously it's a hair wax stick. If you guys do not know, I already just pulled my hair, so you probably see how I do my hair. But yeah. You guys can see she's literally laying my edges now. We're almost done with the hair process, but y'all know the edges need to be motherfucking slayed and shit. But yeah, nah, she done a good job, guys. The way this hair came out, the way the pictures came out, they looked so dope. Make sure to follow me on Instagram to see how they turned out. Official Samantha Grace, and the link to my Instagram will be down in the description box. But guys, are you crazy or what? Are you seeing this? Like, I've got no makeup on, but listen, I still feel like a bad bitch, and that's on my period. But yeah, guys, I was feeling myself already with no makeup on. I was like, yeah, I'm ready to leave just like that. But guys, we were not finished. I still have my makeup to get done. As you guys can see, we'll be basically making videos, content that we need to do
to post obviously on socials. Obviously you guys will see on their page as well as mine obviously what has been done already, the content wise anyways. But yeah, we took a few pictures and whatever. As you guys can see here, I am getting my face primed. I'm getting my makeup done. Literally just started the process. So I was very scared because I'm not really the type to be getting my makeup done by a makeup artist, only because, you know, some makeup artists are good, some maybe make you look a bit too cakey, or I don't know, the whole birthday makeup thing that people say, but I usually do my makeup by myself. So this is the first time I was getting it done for my birthday shoot. So I was trying to go for a different, you know, type of look. And I'm not gonna lie, she done it, like she killed it, and I loved the whole look. As I said, make sure you guys check out my Instagram to see the final look of how the pictures came out. Sorry guys, I'm not feeling well. But yeah, she slayed my makeup, guys. You guys are gonna view the whole process, and I'll probably talk to you guys when I am leaving. Yeah, you guys will probably see me when I'm getting ready to leave. This is my makeup. I look different, y'all. But look, can you see?
I can, so you have to use this. Oh, it's
It's
proper
proper,
watering.
yeah.
Oh my god. Okay, here, use
Isn't
it.
it making the crease under my eye? Right here. Isn't it going there?
It did actually. Okay, maybe Bruce will have to. When you change, Bruce
Okay, let me change first. Hey guys, I was literally rushing because I literally booked my Uber. I only had a few minutes, but guys, I was literally in love with this whole look. This is my outfit, guys. I'm running late, so I can't do this right now. Yes, honey. Girl, guys, can we hold up? Guys, are you taking this in? Like, look at me. They done their motherfucking job. As I said, to make sure you check out Little House on Instagram. And guys, the quality, the hair is from Body Wig Rehab. Make sure you guys check them out. And I also, not in this, but in the next few shots that you see when I'm at the photo shoot, obviously the lip gloss went off. I used my baby girl shade from Osgcosmetics. But guys, look at me. I was so happy with the whole look. Obviously now I'm at the studio. So obviously I had to pick, you know, what I'm gonna do. I thought, you know what, the jacket is gonna give. I'm that bitch, period. So yeah, the pictures with the first jacket really came out really well. They were actually my favorite. But yeah, you guys are just gonna see me posing and stuff. I don't want to talk too much because you guys are obviously gonna see me, you know, posing, whatever. But yeah, you guys are gonna see the rest of the process. And yeah. So guys, I'm just gonna quickly talk because I need to sort out my other outfit. But this is my second fit. I'm doing a dress. Guys, I feel like I look like a doll. Like I look at myself, but I feel like every time I get a makeup artist doing makeup, I look different. But hey, makeup is makeup, period. But guys, the pictures are banging. My lip gloss. I'm wearing my baby girl shade lip gloss. I'm gonna put a picture of, or I'll just leave it down in the description box, guys. And we'll leave the link to my cosmetics online shop, whatever, and you guys can purchase this beautiful shade, baby girl. But yeah, guys, I am excited to see how the pictures come out. I'm scared, but I'm excited. I've always wanted to do a photo shoot, so I'm glad I finally done it. If you see this, this is your sign to do whatever you want to do, that you've been wanting to do for a very long time. Yeah, I'm still shooting, so I'll probably talk to you guys when I get home. As you guys can see, this is my baby girl shade lip gloss from Osgcosmetics. As you guys can see, that's what I'm using in my pictures to just show you guys my lip gloss. Also, guys, if you want to purchase the gloss, make sure you go to www.osgcosmetics.com and House of OSG on Instagram. But yeah, guys, this probably wraps it up because I know after this I forgot to do an outro. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. You know how to sing and whatever. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this because I thought, you know, I don't always do like vlogs as much. Like, I do vlogs and you guys enjoy them, but I wanted to bring more content as I've not been consistent for you guys. And I thought, you know, I might as well show you guys me going to go get ready, prepping for my birthday shoot. But yeah, I hope to see you guys in my next video. Love you guys.
Let me tell you something. I'm your Bonnie and my Clyde. We can take a flight to Miami.